Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to change a user account to administrator in Windows 11. How to do this? Let's start. Now click on Windows 11 icon and search in search bar settings. Now click on gear setting icon. On the screen in the left side you will find accounts option. Now scroll down this window. You will find here other user option. Click on it. Now you will find your username. You can see here HelloDevice is my username. Click on it. You will find here change account type option. On the screen you can change your account type and you can select here administrator. These easy and simple steps that you can follow to change your user account to administrator. Also, this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.